Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Yaris key fob battery, easy method. Pry open the fob gently at the seam using a small flathead screwdriver and separate the two halves. Remove the old CR2032 cell with care and note its orientation. Insert the new CR2032 cell matching the plus sign position. Snap the case back together, reattach the key blade, and test the buttons to confirm. Start by sliding the small release to pull out the metal key blade, then use a small flathead at the seam to open the plastic case. Remove the old CR2032 carefully with a fingernail or tool, noting the plus side. Place the new CR2032 in the same orientation and press the halves firmly until they click. Reinsert the key blade and test each button to ensure the remote locks, unlocks, and starts the car. If the fob doesn't respond after swapping batteries, open it again and confirm the cell is seated and contact springs touch the battery face. Clean any grime with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol, then dry before reassembly. If the problem continues, replace the spare battery or try the spare fob to isolate the issue. Persistent failure may mean a programming or circuit problem that a dealer or locksmith can diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.